Hi everyone! In the last video, we saw a few of the Figma plugins that we can use to improvise our work and also to save some time. In this video, we are going to see some of the Chrome plugins that will help you a lot and also keeps you away from struggling towards collecting inspirations, collecting color codes and fonts from the internet. So let's see how we can do that easily with this Chrome plugins. You might have noticed a lot of colors you wanted to copy from the internet, which was very attractive and inspiring. Other time what we do mostly is we'll screenshot that color or we'll use some color picker from the outside and then get into the Figma. This Chrome plugin will help you to copy the color code directly from the web page. So let's see how to do it. The plugin name is Colorzilla. You can add this extension to your Chrome. Then go to any of the website and see. You'll be able to see both the RGB and hex codes. You can copy the color codes directly from here. And one more improvised plugin for color is Site Palette. This site will help you to get the color codes and palettes from the web page or from the website wherever you're in, directly from there. This is a website of Headspace where it is having lots of colors in it. So I just wanted to show you how it is getting the colors. It will go through the whole website and it will build your website palette. Interesting, no? If you know this already, skip it. I found this interesting, so I'm sharing with you all. And the next one is, if you are going through some raw font in any of the website or any of the application, at that and you don't know how to find this font name, it will be very difficult sometimes. We'll go and search for the app name and what font it is currently using, try to Google it and try to find out. So that might be tough. So what we can do here is we can download this extension, which is called What Font. So let's say I'm currently in Prime Video. This font mostly is not available in Google Fonts and any other fonts. So which is called Amazon Ember they are using. So if you want to know what font it is currently using, you might not be able to find it in the Google. So this will help you to give all the height, style and everything. And this is one more website where it is using the multiple, I found they are using multiple fonts, which is called TT Host Regular and then TT Hovis and which is called TT, and one more is Roboto. I think Roboto is a mistake. So this is how you can find the fonts in the website and then you can download it from any other websites if you want. And the final one is the interesting one. This will help you to save a lot of time and space in taking multiple screenshots of a single web page. Sometimes we might be in search of inspirations from Behance or Dribbble or any other awards or any other inspiration collecting platforms. So in that cases, we couldn't able to screenshot the whole file, which is very long, as we always do in the mobile, a long extended screenshot. So you can do the extended screenshot by using this extension, so which is called Go Full Page Screen Capture. You can get this from Chrome again. Let's say this is a very long one. So I just wanted to have it as an inspiration, just showing you as an example. You can take the screenshot. It will go through the whole website and take it for you. You can either download it in PDF or else in PNG and save it, copy it to your Figma file, have it as your inspiration or a mood board. I think this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Use this extension to fasten up your progress. And if you have any doubts, put that in the comment section. I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye-bye.